7 climatic zones of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the southernmost states of Indian Union. Tamil Nadu is in between 8 degree 20 minute to 13 degree 10 minute north latitude and 76 degree 15 minute to 80 degree 20 minute east latitude. Annual rainfall in Tamil Nadu 974 mm, north locked monsoon 47% of total rainfall, southwest monsoon 32% of total rainfall, summer monsoon 16% of total rainfall and winter monsoon 5% of total rainfall. Climatic zones of Tamil Nadu 7 based on rainfall, altitude and irrigation. First is northeastern zones. Districts are Chengai-Anna, north and south Arcot districts. Mean annual rainfall 1100 mm. Northeast monsoon 566 mm. Has frequent cyclones. Mean maximum temperature 28.5 degrees Celsius to 38.4 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 21 to 28 degrees Celsius. This rainfall is uniform in July to December. In which month? July to December. Soil is red sandy loam, clay loam, saline coastal alluvium. Red sandy loam, clay loam, saline coastal alluvium. Irrigation by hanks and wells. Crops groundnut, pulses, rain-fed rice in coastal areas, sugarcane and millets by well. Red sandy loam, clay loam, saline coastal alluvium. Rain-fed crops are millet, sorghum, tomato, mango groups in dry lands. Northwestern zone, Salem and Dharampuri districts. Northwestern zone. Mean annual rainfall 875 mm. Southwestern monsoon 42% of rainfall. Monthly maximum temperature 30 to 37 degrees Celsius. Monthly mean temperature 19 to 25 degrees Celsius. Minimum less than 15 degrees Celsius in northern parts of Karnataka. Elevation 800 to 1000 meter MSL. Cultivation in dry lands in June. Western zone, Coimbatore and Periyar districts. Mean annual rainfall 720 mm. Northeastern rainfall 49%. Mean maximum temperature 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Mean minimum temperature 19 to 24 degrees Celsius. Soil is black soil in September to October. Groundnut is sown in red soils. Cotton, Bengal gram in latter rains is sown in black soil. Groundnut is sown in red soils in September to October, and cotton, Bengal gram are sown in latter rains in black soil. White babul, it is a hardy tress grows in 550 mm rainfall. White babul, a hardy tress, is grown in 550 mm of rainfall. Cotton, finger millet and sugarcane are grown by well, canal and irrigation system. Cotton, finger millet and sugarcane are grown by well, canal and irrigation system. Kaveri Delta Zone, Kaveri Delta Zone, Tanjavur and Tiruchirappalli districts. Mean annual rainfall 900 to 1000 mm. Northeastern monsoon rainfall 50%. Main source of irrigation is the Kaveri River. Kaveri Delta Zone. Mean maximum temperature 30 to 38.5 degrees Celsius. Mean minimum temperature 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Soil is alluvial in old delta areas. Alluvial soil. Red loamy soil in also known as rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Rice, pulses and cotton with residual soil moisture are grown. Groundnut and sesame are grown as summer crops with supplemental irrigation. Red loamy soil of Tamil Nadu, red loamy soil of Kaveri Delta zones is also known as rice bowl of Tamil Nadu, which is called as rice bowl of Tamil Nadu, red loamy soil. Rice, pulses and cotton are grown with residual soil moisture. Groundnut and sesame are grown as summer crops with supplemental irrigation. Then fifth is the southern zone, Pudukottai, Madurai, Kaidi-e-Millat, Pasampon, Kamarajpur, Ramanathapuram, Chidambaram, Tirunelveli districts. Southern zone topography is undulating. Rain shadow of Western Ghats. Southern zone is the rain shadow of Western Ghats. Topography is undulating. Mean annual rainfall 850 mm. Northeastern monsoon rainfall for 470 mm. Mean maximum temperature 28 to 35 degrees Celsius. Mean minimum temperature 21 to 27.5 degrees Celsius. Soils are black soil, red alluvial soil, lateritic soil. In black soil, only one crop can be grown. Cotton or sorghum can be grown. Saline coastal alluvium soil, soil in coastal belt. Soils are black, red alluvial, lateritic, saline coastal alluvial, soil in coastal belt. In black soil, only one crop can be grown, sorghum or cotton. Rain-fed crop is direct seeded rice on light soils. Red soil, groundnut is sown on red soil. In garden land, pearl millet and chili are grown in garden land conditions. In rain-fed conditions, direct seeded rice are grown on light soils. Groundnut is grown on red soil. Pearl millet and chili are grown in garden land conditions. These are the major crops. Then sixth is the high rainfall zone. Kanyakumari district, high rainfall zone, mean annual rainfall 1460 mm in 64 rainy days. How many types of rainy days? 64 rainy days. Southwestern and northeastern monsoon. Southwestern has 38% of rainfall, northeastern 36% of rainfall. Mean maximum temperature 28 to 33.5 degrees Celsius. Mean minimum temperature 22 to 26.5 degrees Celsius. Soils are deep red loam soil. Rain-fed tapioca is sown as rain-fed crop. In hills, plantation crops like tea, pepper, clove, nutmeg, cardamom and coffee. Plantation crops are grown in hills and tapioca is grown as in rain-fed condition. Seventh and last is the hilly zone. Hilly regions of Nilgiris, Shevarois, Yalgiri, Annamalai and Palani. Nilgiris, Shevarois, Yalgiri, Annamalai and Palani. Mean annual rainfall 1000 mm at foothills to 5000 mm at peaks. Foothills to peaks 1000 to 500. Mean maximum temperature 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Mean minimum temperature 7 to 13 degrees Celsius. Soil is lateritic. Main soil type is lateritic. Crops, cold vegetables, potato. Tropical and temperate fruit areas. Minor millets are raised by hill tribes in foothills. Wheat is cultivated in winter at higher altitude. Soil type, main soil type is lateritic soil. Crops, cold vegetables, potato. Tropical and temperate fruit areas, minor millets are raised by hill tribes in foothills, minor millets. And wheat is cultivated in winter at higher altitude.